Hi guys, Peter here from Signature Walls. Today I am going to show you around one of our completed projects in Wallington Surrey. Here we installed a lot of microcement. So the overall project that the clients had here and the theme they was going for is an architectural contemporary build with a modern twist. Loads of exposed concrete. So the type of microcement we've used on this specific project was a medium grain, light bit of movement in there, pretty much flat, a tiny little bit of texture here and there, satin sealant, and here we've installed, as you can see behind me, splashback, breakfast bar in the middle with an induction hob, and they've got birchwood ply with a sealant on it. It looks really cool and really complements the microcement. And on the floors we've used a satin sealant too, and as you can see we've used two different colours because we just thought it'd add a little bit of extra detail here. We went for a dark countertop with a satin sealant and then we've gone for a titanium colour on the floors. So the project was really exciting, it's very quirky, and overall it's probably one of the most funnest projects that we've done this year in terms of sort of industrial theme where the microcement really complements the overall build. The overall finish has come out absolutely incredible. Hi guys, come on in. Come and check out what we've been up to on this project in Wallington Surrey. The upper floor we've already shown you around, and today we're going to give you a tour of our microcement job. So here we have a bit of microcement flooring, medium grain product with a smooth texture with a satin sealant, same as upstairs and throughout. And if you come around here, we have a WC, water closet, microcement worktops, microcement floor, bit of contemporary concrete shuttered effect, black fixtures and fittings. This colour was titanium, very cool and fancy. Architectural concrete in the background with a bit of detailing going on. Birchwood ply ceilings with a bit of feature lighting really enhances the overall feel of the microcement. And check out this beauty. So, here we have a nice black tap that complements a nice dark grey microcement countertop. Countertop sink. If you see around to the corner, we've got a niche. So if anyone's having consideration to having microcement done in 2023 or in the future, whenever it may be, give us a call, or alternatively send us an email with the size of your project with an indication of what you might want required in terms of colours, and we can give you some brief quotes over